Okay, so for our first log on the colony simulator entropy, titled Entropy Game. So for the basics, we have the panning, zooming, zoom in, zoom out, W A W WASD, WASD there. So we are using the code on camera control. So we got horizontal, vertical for WASD, and mouse scroll wheel for zoom in and zoom out. So there. Then the next is we have the random environment. I'm still we only have two sprites for the environment. So we have the floor tile and the wall tile. So basically the floor is basically the floor, so he could go through it, no problem. But the wall tile, he can't go through it. So it's basically blocked off there. So on the code, here, so we have Bob. So the game map is 50 by 50. Then Bob spawns at the middle, so 25, 25 for X and Y. Then this is the location of Bob when he moves. I specifically put point 0.5 for every grid because it's the part where it's the most accurate when he moves from tile to tile on the sprite here on the tiles. Then we get the input for the mouse to get the X and Y position of this spot. So once I click this, he will slide through it. Instead of teleporting, he slides through it because we currently have the we have the we have the code for him to visually go there. So if you can see, he's moving from tile to tile. This is mainly because of the pathfinding algorithm that we that we placed. So basically, we are using the A star algorithm to find the shortest path together with the walls. So yeah, so this is the algorithm. So this is the start and the end. So the start is where Bob is at here. So this is the start, and the end is where you clicked it. So he will find the shortest path there using this algorithm. Then this is the pawn. So here, for your game map, we have a 20% chance to be a wall, otherwise a floor. So for every grid it steps on, it will randomly decide if there's gonna be a wall. So I am still testing this out because there will be a randomized terrain for every run you make on this game. So for your every run, it's gonna be completely random. So I'm still testing it out. So and some other features. So here. So that's that. And we also have our sprite um, model. So we have our pawn. He's still a small blue guy. And for our next uh, to do task, so we have to implement a part where we could deselect and select Bob, and some UI here, and a part where we could break tiles and place tiles, and some other environment factors like temperature, fire, anything buildable that could be interactable with the environment, and the pawn also. This is called the pawn, your colonist. So that's that for the log 1 for the entropy, for the outpost entropy. So yeah.